Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 30th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So the pound yen is posting up very hard, and I've been warning about this if you've been watching my videos that this is likely just an ABC pullback to this last move up. Never did fill that gap. I just can't even imagine how many people were trying to trade the market down to this gap and probably lost because of that. Now, if it goes up, it makes a double top at the 90%, turns down, breaks structure, then that's what's going to tell me the way B is over. If it goes up, bounces, doesn't break structure, continues to make higher highs, higher lows, then we're definitely, obviously, still in an uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, unfortunately, the strategy would be for me to be looking for longs. I wouldn't be trying to go short. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long at the top of a move. I would keep an eye on these Fibonacci levels for areas of resistance. But right now, the strategy for me is to either already be long from the last pullback way back here, or maybe one of these smaller pullbacks on shorter time frames, or the strategy is to be waiting patiently for another pullback to go long again, potentially for the continuation of this higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.